So in this video, we are going to learn how to add Facebook ads comment to Google Sheets for easy analysis in real time. Let's say you are running some ads on Facebook, and on those ads, you are also getting the comments from the user. But you are not able to analyze those comments because there are so many ad posts and creative and so many comments from the user. So let me tell you how you can automate this process and solve this problem. So using a simple automation between Facebook ads and Google Sheet, you can solve this problem where whenever you are going to receive a new comment on your Facebook ad post, automatically the same comment with all the details will be added in your Google spreadsheet in real time, instantly. And using this automation, you can basically analyze the comments which you are receiving on your Facebook ads. Not just these comments, if there are other posts on your Facebook page, you can basically add the comments from those posts as well using the similar automation. Now, if you want to learn how you can automate this process and analyze the comments on your Facebook ads, for that you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Facebook page. And on my Facebook page, I'm running some ads. So these are the ad creatives which I'm running over here on my Facebook page, one of the ad creatives. Now I want that whenever I receive any comment from any user on my Facebook ad post or on any post on my Facebook page, I want to add that same comment on my Google spreadsheet as well. So in this way, it is very easy to monitor and evaluate all the comments which I'm receiving on my Facebook page post or on the Facebook ad post which I have created. Now to do this, what we have to do, we have to connect our Facebook account, our Facebook page with Google Spreadsheet. And we are going to use an automation and integration platform called Pabbly Connect to do so. Now to access Pabbly Connect, just go to your browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And here you can see we have reached to Pabbly Connect's landing page. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up free. Now, if you're new to Pabbly, by clicking on this sign up free button, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you're an existing Pabbly user, just click on sign in. After signing in, we will reach to this all apps page of Pabbly. And here we just have to click on access now below Pabbly Connect. And as we click on access now, we will reach to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. And here we have to create an automation workflow. Let's say I'll just click on this create workflow button and give this workflow a name. So I'll name it as Facebook pages to Google Sheets. You can basically give any other name of your choice. Then after that, just select the folder of your Pabbly Connect account in which you want to set up this automation and click on create. Now as we click on create, here you can see the workflow will open in front of us. And in this workflow, we can see two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on. Where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger window. Now the idea here is first we have to connect our Facebook page from which we want to get the new comments on which we are running some ads and on the comments from which pages ad we want to add in Google Sheet. We have to connect this Facebook page with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step. After that, using this connection, we will get all the new comments which we are receiving on our Facebook page ads or on those Facebook page posts as well. Then after that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the same comments and add those comments automatically in our Google spreadsheet as a new row over here. Now let's see how it is done. Starting from a trigger window, in Choose Apps, search for Facebook pages. Just select it. After selecting Facebook pages, here in trigger event from the drop down, select the trigger event as new comment. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Facebook pages account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this connect with Facebook pages button. Then after that, here in this pop-up window, just select your Facebook account and click on this continue button. Now, while connecting your Facebook account with Pabbly Connect, you have to ensure that you are the admin or the owner of this Facebook page. Like I am not the owner of this particular Facebook page, but I do have the admin access of this Facebook page over here. So either you have to be the owner of the Facebook page, the page should be created by your own account, by yourself, or you should be the admin of that Facebook page. Only in that case, by connecting your Facebook account with Pabbly Connect, you will get that page connected over here. So after connecting our Facebook account in this trigger step, here it is asking us Facebook pages. So in this drop down, you will get a list of all the pages which you have in your Facebook profile, all the pages in which you are the owner or the admin. You can see all of them over here in this drop down. So new comments from which particular Facebook page or from which particular Facebook page's ad you want to receive inside Pabbly Connect. You have to select that. So I've selected this Facebook page over here, and after that, I will just click on this Save and Send Test Request button. Now, as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see it has now changed to Waiting for Webhook Response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get some response of a new comment on this Facebook page or on the ads which we are running on this Facebook page. So now what we have to do, we will just go to the Facebook feed over here. So this is my Facebook feed, and on this Facebook feed you will notice that this is the ad which I am running on my Facebook page over here. The same Facebook page ad is appeared on my Facebook feed. Now what I'm going to do, one of the ad post or one of the posts which I have on my Facebook page, I'm going to post a comment over here. So I'll just go to the comment section over here, and then I'm going to write a comment as, for example, how can I contact you? How can I contact you? This is the comment which I'm posting. And after that, let me add some image or video. So I'll just add a GIF over here. I'll just search for a GIF of help over here. And let's say this is the GIF I'm adding. So this is a GIF I have added over here, and this is my comment. Now let's post this comment over here. So just now what is happening, we are receiving a comment on our Facebook ad post which we have created or which we are using on our Facebook page. And because we have connected our Facebook page with Pabbly Connect, we will see in our Pabbly Connect workflow in this trigger step, within few seconds, we have received some response. And in this response, we will see the details of the exact same post over here. Here we have from ID. So here we have the unique ID of the person who has posted this comment on our Facebook ad post or Facebook page post. Then we have from name. So here we have the account name of the user who has posted the comment. Then we'll scroll down. Here you can see post updated date and time, that at what date and time this post was updated or published over here. Then we have the post permanent link, that we have the link of the same post on which we have received the comment. Then we have the promotion status, and here we have the message over here. How can I contact you? So the exact same comment which we have posted over here, the same message, same text or same comment is received inside Pabbly Connect. We have the post ID, the unique ID of the post on which we have received this comment. Then we have this video over here. So we have added this particular GIF or some kind of video over here in the comment, and the link of that same GIF is received inside Pabbly Connect. So here in the response you can see we have the link, we have the URL of the same GIF over here. If you want, you can add these images and videos receiving on comments into the Google Sheet as well. Then we have this unique comment ID over here, that what is the unique comment ID of the comment which we have received. Then we have the date and time over here, that at what date and time this particular comment was received over here. And we have this date and time into timestamp format. So in the next step, we are going to convert this timestamp format into a simple, easily readable date and time. Then we have some other details like what is the item, what is the verb over here, some other details related to the same comment too. So this means the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed, where we have successfully connected our Facebook page with Pabbly Connect and received the new comments which we are receiving on our Facebook ads or Facebook page post in our Pabbly Connect workflow. Now after this, let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we have received this date and time of the comment, that at what date and time this comment was received in timestamp format. And we are going to convert this into the pretty usable or readable day, month, year format in the next step. And to do this, we are going to use a feature, a module of Pabbly Connect that is called date time formatter. So we will just scroll down, come to this action step, and here in choose app, search for date time formatter and just select it. After selecting date time formatter in action event from the drop down, select the action event as format date with time zone. Then just click on connect, and after clicking on connect, here it is asking us for the date. Now here in the field of date, we have to basically give the date, time or timestamp whose format and time zone we want to change. So here what is going to happen, we have received this date and time created time over here in timestamp format. So we are going to add this same timestamp into this date time formatter action step. And to add the response from this trigger step to this date time formatter action step, we are going to use a process called mapping. So we will just click on this field of date, and here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from our Facebook page of a new comment. Out of all of these responses, select this response of created time and map it. Then here in from format from this drop down, here you can see a list of different formats. We will just scroll down and select this format of timestamp. Then after that, here in to format, you can select any format of your choice. I like this format of day, month, year, hours, minutes and seconds, and AM, PM over here. So in this format, I want to change this timestamp into. Then here in from time zone, we get the response according to UTC time zone. So we are going to select UTC over here. And in to time zone, I'm going to select my local time zone over here according to which I want this date and time. So I am in India, and in India, we follow Asia Kolkata time zone. So that's why I'm selecting Asia Kolkata over here. You can select your local time zone according to which you want this date and time too. Then after that, just click on this save and send test request button. And as you click on save and send test request, here you can see we have the date and time over here. So we have converted this timestamp into day, month, year, hours, minute, second, date and time format. And we have the date and time on which we have received this comment on our Facebook ad post. Now after this, what we want to do, we want to add this date and time and all the other details of a new comment which we have received on our Facebook ad post into the Google Sheet. For that, just click on this add action step button over here, and then here in choose app, search for Google Sheets. Just select it. After selecting Google Sheets, in action event from the drop down, select the action event as add new row. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Google Sheets account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on this sign in with Google button. Then here in pop-up window, select your Google Sheets account, scroll down and click on continue. And as we click on continue, we will see our Google Sheets account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is to select the spreadsheet. So here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the spreadsheets which we have in our Google Sheets account. Out of all of this, the spreadsheet in which I want to add the new comment details is named as Facebook comments over here. So from this drop down, we are going to select that particular spreadsheet over here in which we want to add the comment details. Now after selecting the spreadsheet, it is asking us to select the sheet. Now here in this Google spreadsheet, I have only one sheet named as sheet 1. That's why here in this drop down, you can see only one option of sheet 1 over here. So we are going to select it. Then it is asking us date, time, from name, from ID. Basically all the columns of data which we have created in this Google Sheet over here, we have all of these columns as fields inside Pabbly Connect. So whatever data we want to add in whichever column, we have to basically add those data into their respective field. Like here we have date and time. So we have received the date and time from Facebook pages, but that was in timestamp format. So using date time formatter, we have basically changed the format and the time zone of that date and time on which we have received the comment. So from date time formatter responses, we want to add this response of date and time to this Google Sheets Actions tab. And to add the data from the previous step to this Google Sheet Actions tab, we are going to use a process called mapping. Just click on this field of date and time over here, and here in the drop down, you can see a list of all the responses from previous 2 steps. Out of all of these responses, select the response of date time formatter and map it over here. After mapping the response of date time formatter over here it is asking us from name. So we have received the from name from Facebook pages in the trigger step. So from trigger step responses, just select the response of name and map it. Then here in from ID from the drop down, select and map the from ID as well. Then here it is asking us for the comment. So from the drop down, select the response of the comment, the message which we have received in comment. Then here we have comment ID. So from the drop down, let's select the response of unique comment ID and map it to. Then here in post URL, we are going to enter the URL of the post on which we have received this comment over here. And then at last, it has image or video URL. So here we will just click on this field, and from the drop down, select the response of video URL and map it. Now instead of video URL, while capturing the test response, once again you have to capture the same test response and you have to make a comment with the image so that you can get the response of image URL as well and map that same image URL response in this field over here. Now this is an optional field. Every user does not post an image or video with their comment. That's why sometimes you might get a blank response. That's why we have added this field at the last. Now after mapping all the details over here, what we have to do, we will just click on this save and send test request button. And as we click on save and send test request, here you can see we have received the response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the data which we have mapped over here, these details, basically the details of a new comment which we have received on our Facebook post are added in our Google spreadsheet. So let's check it. We will just go to our Google Sheet over here. And yes, here you can see a new row of data is added in this Google Sheet. And here you can see first thing which we have is the date and time. That at what date and time this comment was received. Then we have the name of the person who has posted the comment on our Facebook ad post. Then we have their unique ID. Then we have the actual comment which they have posted. And we also have the comment ID over here. After that, here you can see we have the post URL. This is the unique URL of the post on which we have received the comment. Then after that, here we have the image or video URL. We have the link, the URL of the same image or video which was posted in comment by the user. And we have this image URL at last over here because every user who is posting a comment does not post an image or video with the comment as well. Sometimes you might get a blank response for this too. But we have rest of the details of the comment. And this means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. Now after setting up this automation, we are going to test this automation workflow once. I'll just open the same post over here and I'm going to make another comment. For example, we are testing this automation. This is the comment which I am posting from the same account on my same ad post over here. Let's say I have posted this comment, and as I post this comment, we will see automatically within seconds, the same comment which we have received on our Facebook ad post will be added in our Google spreadsheet. So let's check it. We will just go to a Google Sheet, and yes, here you can see on our Google spreadsheet, just now a new row of data is added. And here we have the details of the same comment. We have the date and time, that at what date and time this comment was received. We have the name of the person who has posted the comment. We have their unique ID. And then we have the actual comment as well. We are testing this automation. This was the comment which we have posted just now. And the same comment is added in Google Sheet. We have the unique ID of the comment. We also have the URL of the post on which we have received the comment. And because we have not added any image or video URL in the comment, that's why you can see the field of image or video URL is blank over here. So we have tested this automation in real time and this automation is working perfectly fine. Now using this automation, whenever we are going to receive a new comment on our Facebook ad or Facebook page post, automatically the same comment's detail will be added in our Google spreadsheet as a new row. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this same automation workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can just clone this same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.